Today is Thursday, 5th of June 2025, 6 a.m. Eastern Time. This news is brought to you by Preeti Capital, your trusted source for financial insights. Trend. The latest trend analysis of the S&P 500, GSPC, reveals that 70.6% of stocks are currently trading above their 50-day simple moving average, SMA, while 46.7% are above the 200-day SMA. This indicates a generally positive short-term momentum, although long-term trends appear more mixed. Sector performance has shown notable disparities. For instance, the XLB sector experienced a decline of 0.99%, contrasting with the XLRE sector, which saw an increase of 1.02%. Furthermore, the ratio of the Russell 2000 to the S&P 500 has slightly decreased from 0.301 to 0.299, marking a change of 0.56%. This shift suggests a subtle weakening in the relative performance of small-cap stocks compared to large-cap stocks, highlighting the complexities within the current market landscape. Overall, while there are signs of strength in certain areas, the mixed sector performances and slight changes in ratios indicate a cautious outlook for investors. Market pulse. The financial markets exhibited mixed signals as investors reacted to a blend of economic data and geopolitical developments. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended its 4-day winning streak, dropping over 90 points, while the Nasdaq Composite managed a modest gain of 0.4%. The S&P 500 remained nearly unchanged, hovering close to its all-time high. Global markets mirrored this sentiment, with Japan's Nikkei 225 and Australia's S&P ASX 200 both experiencing slight declines. In the commodities sector, oil prices faced fluctuations, with West Texas Intermediate, WTI, crude closing at $62.63, down 0.35%, and Brent crude at $64.12, down 1.14%. Gold futures, however, saw an increase of 0.47%, closing at $3,389.20 per ounce, as investors sought safe haven assets amid economic uncertainty. The U.S. Treasury yields also fell, reflecting concerns about slow growth and inflation following disappointing job data. Overall, market sentiment remains cautious, influenced by trade tensions and the upcoming Federal Reserve interest rate announcement. Top movers gainers. Applied Digital Corporation, NASDAQ, APLD, experienced a remarkable surge, with shares jumping 51% following a buy recommendation from B. Riley and a new price target of $15. This rise was fueled by a significant $7 billion lease agreement with CoreWeave, backed by NVIDIA, to provide 250 megawatts of IT power. The overall market has seen a 13% increase over the past year, although APLD's performance contrasts with declines in other sectors, particularly solar and hydrogen. Similarly, Guidewire Software, GWRE, rose 19% to $258.90, driven by strong earnings results, despite falling short of revenue expectations. Losers. IQSTEL Inc., NASDAQ, IQST, is categorized as a market loser despite its ambitious goal of reaching $1 billion in revenue by 2027. The company has recently acquired 51% of GlobeTopper to enhance its fintech capabilities, but faces challenges following a reverse stock split to meet NASDAQ listing requirements. Additionally, Asana, NYSE, ASAN, reported its first-ever non-GAAP operating profit, yet shares fell 17.6% due to concerns over a declining net retention rate and unmet revenue expectations. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Corp., NASDAQ, TNXP, also saw a 9.64% decline amid investor concerns regarding its partnership with Makana Therapeutics. Most active. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, has seen a significant increase in stock price, rising approximately 77% year-to-date, driven by key federal government contracts and strong interest in its AI capabilities. Despite a recent 3% decline after reaching a record high, the company remains popular among retail investors and analysts. Meanwhile, Ford Motor Company, F, closed at $10.24, up 0.49%, but has seen a 2.4% decline over the past month amid a recall announcement, Additionally, Rocket Lab, RKLB, has gained attention for its achievements in the space industry, including a successful rocket launch and plans for a significant acquisition. 52-week highs. NVIDIA, NVDA, has reclaimed its status as the world's most valuable publicly traded company, with a market value of $3.444 trillion. The company has experienced nearly a 24% rally over the past month, driven by strong demand for its AI chips. Other notable performers include Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited, RGC, which saw a 207% week-on-week increase, and D-Wave Quantum Inc., QBTS, which reported a staggering 509% revenue increase year-over-year for Q1 2025. These companies are capitalizing on strong market trends and investor interest in technology and biotechnology sectors. 52-week lows. Lyell Immunopharma, Inc., Nasdaq Lyell, reported a first-quarter loss of $52.2 million with minimal revenue, reflecting challenges in its development of CAR T-cell therapies. The company has seen insider purchases totaling $218,000, indicating some level of confidence among stakeholders. Additionally, PBF Energy Inc., NYSE PBF, reported a first-quarter adjusted loss of $3.09 per share, although its stock rose 5.19% due to operational improvements. In contrast, Dollar Tree's shares fell 6.8% after mixed first-quarter results, highlighting the struggles faced by discount retailers amid economic uncertainty. Stocks to watch. The watchlist stocks present a diverse array of opportunities and challenges across various sectors. Broadcom Inc., AVGO, is poised for a significant earnings report, with a recent stock surge of 28.4% and an implied move of 6.99%. Haleon plc, HLN, faces scrutiny after Pfizer divested its stake, while Lululemon Athletica Inc., Lulu, is expected to report a modest earnings increase. Ferrovial SE, FER, showcases strong core earnings growth, and Samsara Inc., IoT, has seen impressive stock performance, indicating stability ahead of its earnings announcement. Qualcomm, QComm, continues to engage in strategic discussions, while Old National Bancorp, ONB, demonstrates solid revenue growth post-merger. SLM Corporation, SLM, is actively involved in community initiatives despite facing financial challenges. Other notable mentions include Linde plc, LN, and Analog Devices, Inc., ADI, both of which are maintaining dividend payouts amidst varying market conditions. This commentary is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. All data are believed accurate but are not guaranteed. Opinions reflect the author's view at publication time and are subject to change without notice.